2017 will be a year of even greater change in U.S. healthcare. In the midst of this change and uncertainty, AAPM&R sees a great opportunity. An opportunity to create a vision for our specialty. An opportunity to engage physiatric leaders. An opportunity to define the future of PM&R. As physiatrists, we share core values and lead our practices in ways that demonstrate significant value for healthcare today and in the future. How we innovate, lead, and position ourselves now will impact the future of PM&R. We must be united. We must be bold. We must act now by visioning PM&R bold. In the coming weeks and months, before, during, and after our annual assembly, we'll be hosting a series of events, bringing physiatrists together to discuss what physiatric practice will look like in the future. From in-person events to focus groups, surveys, and virtual town hall meetings, we want to hear from the community of 11,000 plus physiatrists. We need your voice included on this journey. How will you practice? Where? And with whom? Now is our opportunity to answer those questions and navigate the future of PM&R. Visioning PM&R bold for our patients, for our specialty, for your future. Go to the American Academy of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation's website, www.aapmr.org/PMRbold, and let your voice be heard.